Sailing Doha at night, the best boat cruise you can't miss. Guys, I'm standing here at Doha port, and behind me these gorgeous boats. You can actually get on one and cruise the entire Doha skyline. Sunset dinner, city light, and I'm about to show you exactly how. First up, these boats usually run 1 to 2 hours. You get soft drinks, sometimes dinner or Arabic tea. Price starts from 200 Qatar Riyal and $55. It depends. Perfect if you're traveling solo or as a couple and want that social vibe. And if you want that social vibe. Option 2, and this is my favorite, the sunset dinner cruise. You leave right before the golden hour, watch the sun dip behind West Bay, and then the whole skyline light up. Most include barbecue and or international buffet dinner. Think grilled meat, salads, desserts. Some even do traditional music on board. You can also book 1 to 2 hours option, so you can get both sunset and night lights. Trust me on this. And option 3 is a private family reunion. It can take 10 to 45 people if you have a birthday. So these boats can do whatever you want as long as you pay money. The problem is money.